Okay, here we go with today's setup. We're doing kind of a pinch, and we are going to primary select. So our first mark is going to come out from there and thrown to the left. Then we're going to turn to the left, and that long one is going to get thrown to the right, pinching the two marks together. Then, that being the go bird, we are going to primary select, come back to the first bird out, pick this one up, and then pick the go bird up as a memory bird. So hopefully everybody will do well. That's out there probably about 175, 180 yards. And hope the dogs all do good. I'm having my coffee.